This is the Group Compare Quote Path tutorial. So to use the Group Compare, you choose Group Compare on the quoter element, and you are already familiar with editing the quote widget. However, on the Group Compare, there are a couple additional boxes. You have optional coverage and you have basic pay. Now, as most employer-sponsored group policies are based on a multiple of pay, you then go into the quote data and choose that multiple. If they do not specify one, you can choose NA. You choose the max amount of coverage, and you're pretty much all set there. And you go to rate schedules. You're going to have to get information from the quote summary as far as the rate schedules go. If they have two schedules, one for smokers, you add that in also. They're pretty much all unisex, my experience. If they do not go in 5-year increments, as the vast majority do, you do have the option for custom ages here. And then you would go to coverage rules. Coverage rules are when you decrease the amount of coverage due to age. This is also information found in your plan summary. Commonly, this would be a common one, 65% at age 65 and say 50% at age 70, so on, right? And whether or not something terminates at separation or not. This is all information that needs to come from your plan summary. This then goes to your questionnaire, standard questionnaire. So it's all conditional. So if you answer yes, you'll get requests for more information. So pretty detailed if it needs to be. Otherwise, it's very brief, kind of the best of both worlds. That information feeds into health rules. These rules dictate your health class. I've used what I believe to be industry standards. However, if your underwriting experience is different, you have the option to change it as you see fit. Once the questionnaire is submitted, you will go to an output page. The output page shows what they are currently paying and will be paying in the future, and what the current market is for 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30 years. Additionally, if you hit the display savings link, you will see graphically the savings that somebody can get by using a private market, assuming they're in good enough health. All right. And this information can all be printed to PDF rather easily. All right. Once that you select a plan by hitting Get Started, the carriers you chose will flow to this consumer choice page. This will offer rates based on whether or not there's living benefits, what's the fastest policy, and what's the cheapest policy. All right. And once you select one by hitting next, you will wind up in the application stage. The application is a 7-page application that's pretty much industry standard. All the normal questions are asked. It has this neat little feature where the client can check the box that they'd prefer to relay sensitive information on the phone. That will not stop them from filling the application out, or completing the application rather. Upon submission, you go to a thank you page that you can completely style yourself with text and colors. And then you'll go to a distribution page, and either you can use a standard distribution that is site-wide, or you can have a custom distribution. All right. And so that is your Group Compare quote path. If you have any questions, please reach out to support, and we hope this helps. Take care.